In this video tutorial, we will demonstrate how to use the online claims entry feature available on MyRSC. This feature allows you to fill out a claim form online with the same information as if you were filling it out by hand. To begin, first log on to www.myrsc.com and click on the Online Claims Entry link located on the left-hand navigation menu. If you have any previously entered claims, you will see a list of claim forms. A claim form can be viewed and printed at any time, but if the claim form has already been printed, the Delete option will not be available. Click the Start New Claim Form button to begin adding claims. On the next page, you will see links to the benefit resources like Medical FSA, HRA, HSA, Dependent Care, and Parking and Transit that will fund the expense. For demonstration purposes, we will enter an FSA medical claim. On this page, you will enter the claim information. At any time, click the Have Questions link for an explanation of what should be entered in each field. Select Yes or No if you have a valid receipt for this claim. A valid receipt is from a third-party provider, shows the date of service, the type of service or product, and shows the cost of the service or product. Click the What is a Valid Receipt link for more information. The next option will have up to 3 options to choose from regarding your expense. Purchased with personal funds, purchased with My Source Card, or purchased with My Resource Card. If you have both cards, all 3 options will be listed. If you do not have either card, you will not have to choose at all. The Pay Me and Pay the Provider options will only be available if your administrator provides this payment service to your employer. Otherwise, these options will not be available, and the default is for the participant to be reimbursed. Enter the receipt EOB number that appears on your valid receipt. Your name will default into the claimant field, and self will default into the relationship field. The claimant is the family member that received the service, and the relationship refers to the claimant's relationship to you. Both fields can be edited. Also choose the claimant's date of birth from the calendar. You must complete the service dates and amount fields. Now select a service from the service expense list. If nothing in the available list seems to apply, select Other Service. Your administrator will determine the appropriate service from your receipt. Now enter the provider, which is the third party providing the medical, child care, parking, or transit services to you or your dependents. Also, you will need to enter the provider's tax ID if possible. If you are electing to pay the provider, you will have more fields to enter information, such as provider address, city, state, and zip code. You have the option to include a short note. Click Save this claim. You can enter as many individual claims to the claim form as you like before you print the transmittal form. Continue to add or edit claim expenses until the claim is complete. Once you've entered all the claims, print the receipt cover page and fax it in along with your receipts to the fax number provided at the top of the form. This is a sample online claim entry receipt cover page that lists all the information you just entered online. Again, you will see the fax number to submit the claim at the top. Once you print the cover page, you will no longer be able to make changes. You will receive an email confirmation for your records after you have faxed it in. As claims are added, you will see them listed in a table on the main online claims entry page. In addition to receiving an email that the claim has been received, this screen will display Fax Received under the status column once the fax has been received. This concludes our tutorial on online claims entry. Thank you for your participation.